First, create your main method. Then declare a string variable called input. Assign it a value with punctuation, like, "Hello, world. Welcome to Java." Now we're ready to remove punctuation. Now, create a method with a string parameter called text. This method uses regex to remove punctuation. Inside the method, create a string variable called output. Now use text.replaceAll, and pass this pattern. This regex removes everything except letters, numbers, and spaces. Then print the output using system.out.println. You'll see the clean string without any punctuation. Now inside the main method, call method1 and pass the input string. Run the program to see the output. Now create another method called method2 with a string parameter text. This method uses a loop to remove punctuation. Inside the method, create a string builder called output. This will help us build the new string efficiently. Use a for loop to iterate through each character. We convert the string into a character array using char array method. Now add a condition to check each character. Use character.isLetter or digit to keep only letters and numbers. Also allow spaces by checking if the character equals a space. Append the character to output. Finally, print the result using system.out.println. Convert the string builder to a string using toString. Call method2 inside the main method. Pass the input string and run the program to check the result. Now create method3 with a string parameter called text. This method uses a built-in regex pattern to remove punctuation. Inside the method, create a string variable called output. Now use text.replaceAll with \p curly bracket punct. This built-in regex removes all punctuation characters automatically. It's a simpler and cleaner way compared to writing custom patterns. Print the final output using println. Now call method3 from the main method. Pass the input string and run the program. You'll see the output without punctuation. All three methods give the same clean result.